Hey, what's going on out there, YouTube? Rusty's Metals, Precious Metals Hub. Breaking news Saturday night. China looking to dominate gold market with international Shanghai Gold Exchange. Uh, the People's Bank of China has given the Shanghai Gold Exchange permission to build an international gold trading platform in Shanghai. The exchange has already contacted foreign banks including HSBC, ANZ, Standard Bank, Standard Chartered Bank, and the Bank of Nova Scotia, and invited them to participate in this new international board. China's announcement to create an international price platform comes during a time of intense gold and silver manipulation from the London price fix. On Friday, the British regulator, the Financial Conduct Authority, fined Barclays $44 million for failing to adequately manage conflicts of interest between itself and customers. They were basically manipulating the gold price so they didn't have to pay contracts to customers, and then lying their own books with millions of dollars. Now, this report is coming out of Kitco, and anybody knows about Kitco, it can't be trusted. Representative that they interviewed, Jessica Fung, commodities analyst at BMO Capital's Market, said that this move by the Chinese central bank appears to be extremely opportunistic. It is quite clear that the East is trying to dominate the market, she said. Last August, China surprised markets by giving approval to Australian bank ANZ and HSBC to trade gold futures on the Shanghai Gold Exchange. This lady, Fong, recently visited China and said the perception of domestic traders is changing and they are getting more comfortable and confident about the idea of trading in international markets. Now, what they're neglecting to mention is this. Well, this lady Fong doesn't think this is going to go through. It's like it's a pie in the sky. It's not going to happen. This and that. But the thing is, CME and LME are going after the same opportunistic price fixing of precious metals, and they don't have any gold and silver. So here's the thing. Shanghai Gold Exchange is backed by physical metals. There's no derivatives. So this piece is going against the idea to move price fixing to this Shanghai Gold Exchange, but in a lot of people's eyes, this is the freest market that anybody can wish for right now. Now, the reason why this is great news and the permission of the Chinese National Bank is the Shanghai Gold Exchange is really just a domestic financial institution. But now they're getting approval to go abroad and to dominate this market. Now, this article goes on to explain, in their point of view, that the investment flows are still bigger than the physical demand. The liquidity is still in North America. Well, some are speculating that after this price fixing debacle and after Germany Ministry of Finance gets through with all these price fixings, that there's not going to be any exchange in London. So what this article is saying is we have to keep it here in North America because that's where the liquidity is. Well, the liquidity for what? paper. We're talking about physical free market exchange. So I'm not saying it's probably the best idea in the world, but it's a lot better than trading derivative contracts where the banks are manipulating the price and the value by printing contracts. So it seems like a great idea when you hand over the controls of price fixing to the Shanghai Gold Exchange, which has capital controls with gold. It is a much better idea. So there you have it. The powers that be want to keep it in their control, but it doesn't look like it's going to happen. Everybody knows what the scam is now, and the regulators are going after them. It's not going to last. But see, here's the thing. They're going to try to come up with a solution, convince us all, like this article has. And I will leave a link to this article. It's out of Forbes from a Kitco contributor. And you will constantly see biased information out of Kitco. I would definitely never buy from them. I would never give them any business. But again, you have to know who to trust and what the situation is. And the situation right now is the derivatives and the price fixing and the gold manipulation is way out of hand, and people are waking up. And this Kitco article proves that the powers that be are trying to resolve the situation and brush it under the brush it underneath the rug, so that no one notices. Well, we all notice that the prices are fixed, manipulated, huge conflict of interest, and it's just not going to go on any longer. So there you have it. I'll leave a link to the Forbes article, and have a great night. Please support my website, rustysmetals.com, and preciousmetals-prices.com, because 2014 is the year to prepare. So please support me by sharing, commenting, liking this video, and most certainly sharing this video with your friends, family, and anyone that would understand what is going on.